So today I'm going to be doing my BOXYCHARM unboxing, you know, like I do every month. This box was quite possibly the best box ever. There was not one thing in it that I was like, really? Why? So let's just hop into it. This is the look I created today. And of course I will show you my demo type situation that I do. You know how these work, you know how I do these. So the first thing on the list, but it's actually the thing I did not use because it is too dark for me and I have no self-tan on right now, is the Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and I got the shade Sparkler. Look at it. It is so beautiful, and it's like just the most. If you mix this with a lotion and put it on your skin, does anyone else have to like immediately wipe off their swatches because I just can't stand being messy? This retails for $29. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds up from sheer to intense. Okay, but is it ever really sheer? No. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended, whatever. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I'm pretty sure this is the lightest shade though. I could be wrong. And this is pretty dark. So if anything, I'll probably mix it in with a really matte foundation because matte foundations are my shiz, but I love to glow. Even mixing this in with like a tinted moisturizer or BB cream in the summertime would be gorgina. The second thing on the list, the thing that I just like was so floored and excited by because I've never tried ColourPop eyeshadows before, is the ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and you had me at hello. Everyone got a different one. Not everyone got the same palette. There's like 5 or 6 variations, but this is the one that I got, and I was really hoping I wasn't gonna get an all shimmer palette because while I love shimmer shadows, matte makes a palette more usable in my opinion, but this palette is like perfect, and I am totally gonna travel with this when I go out of town and all of that good stuff. This is gonna be amazing. This palette retails for $18, which is ridiculously cheap for the quality that you get. I will say the eyeshadow pans are a little on the small side, but for the price you really can't complain that much, and they're just so beautiful. Let me just swatch. Look at that. That is amazing. It's so pretty, and that shimmer is just blinding, and you could even use that as a highlight if you wanted to. I'm just saying. Okay, so I used the shades The Knot, Moonstruck, and 2 Ps, and then I used Pulling Strings and Sparks Fly with a little bit of Fool's Rush. I used pretty much every shade except for like 5. They blended really nice. The only problem I had was this dark brown shade, but it could be a user error because I did not set my eye, and I usually do, but I was like, I want to try something different. And I also did not tap off my brush, but I have no fallout, so that's good. These palettes are amazing. I'm sure I've only tried one, but the formula is pretty consistent from what I've heard, and I want them all. The next item that I sadly could not try because we just did a pumpkin enzyme on Monday. Yeah, Monday. So I could not use this because I'm not supposed to do anything to my face that involves masking or purifying. And that's exactly what this is. This is the Dr. Brandt's Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. This sounds amazing, and I'm super excited to try it. It retails for $47. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. Well, that sounds like something we do at school. Like I said, haven't tried this, can't really try it yet. I'll probably try it in like a week, and if I really like it, I will let you guys know. But I'm excited to try it when I don't have a freshly exfoliated face. The next item in the box is from the Brow Gal. We got a brow powder, I don't want to say palette, but it had 3 different shades in it. I think it was May of last year, and I used that religiously, and I didn't even make a dent, and so I sanitized it and put it in my makeup kit to use on clients. So this is the Brow Gal Insta Tint Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Yes, retails for $22. Holy shit, that's a lot for a tinted brow gel. Tinted brow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Well, mine are not naturally filled in. I filled them in with powder and then put this on top, and I have to try this on like my no makeup days because I tint my brows at school because I just like having brows done and putting mascara on. There is a freaking hair. There, I got it, jeez. But lately I've been really liking like a tinted moisturizer and mascara kind of look, just like a throw it on and out the door. So I'm eager to try this on those kind of days, but these kind of glam AF days, not so much. This is what it looks like. It's a super tiny little applicator. You cannot see that at all. There you go. And it does look like it has little fibers, but they're like wet. So we'll see how that turns out. And the last thing, which is probably my favorite. I mean, I really like the eyeshadow palette, but this I'm gonna put in my purse. It's what I'm wearing right now. It is the, did I smudge that? Yeah. It's fine, I'm a mess. It's the Adesi, I don't know how else you would say that. High definition liquid lipstick, luxury creamy, long wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. With the ease of wand applicator. That doesn't make sense to me. It retails for $24, which is a little outrageous, but that's okay. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free, so that is amazing. It's not like a dry down liquid matte lipstick, so when I saw this, I was like, gosh, damn it, I don't want to use that because I hate liquid matte lipsticks. I love these. These kind of lipsticks are my shit. The Buxom ones that I've been using nonstop, I love those, and I also like glosses. I love the way they feel. I hate matte lipsticks. I hardly ever wear them, but this is like a liquefied lipstick. It's a little sticky, but not like peeling my lips apart sticky. And this is quite a thin layer. I bet if I blotted it a little bit. Yeah, and it's just like a color and less of a gloss. This is gonna be my favorite, I tell you what. Especially if I have a tan. This color would look really pretty. All right, well guys, that was it. It was a pretty all-around amazing box. Like I said, it was probably the best box we've ever got because every single item I will use every day, just about. The Tarte and the Dr. Brandt I probably won't use every day, but the other three, you can use those every single day. That's amazing. The theme is eye candy, if you wanted to know, because I suck at being a YouTube person. Also, they upgraded these cards. I am so like, look at you, BOXYCHARM. A little tidbit. If my energy seems different, it's because I went to the doctor and I found out that I had insane iron deficiency and vitamin D deficiency. So they put me on vitamins and all this jazz, and I feel 100 million times better than I did before. Like before, I was super fatigued all the time. I had low energy. I didn't want to do anything. I was unmotivated. I would literally like walk to the mailbox and back and be winded and need to take a nap. Like it was ridiculous. So I told my doctor all of that, and he gave me iron pills and vitamin D pills, and they have made such a difference. Like I am so happy. Like I just have so much energy and I'm so happy all the time now. Vitamin D is apparently a mood booster. So I'm just like all the time, which hopefully will translate into me making more videos, but no promises. All right guys, well I hope you enjoyed this BOXYCHARM video. I kind of really miss doing BOXYCHARM videos. I did one last month that was a complete fail because I forced myself to do it, and every time I force myself to do something, it never turns out like I want, and then the month before that, I missed a video, and I just feel like I have not done these in forever, or a good one at least. Okay, I'm done talking. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.